Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Roxas is not losing hope. In a newly released Pulse Asia poll, Roxas ranked 4th, trailing behind frontrunner Senator Grace Poe, Davao Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, and Vice President Jejo Marbinay. But the administration bet says the ruling party has an ace up its sleeve: incumbency.
Maganda, ibig sabihin ay dikit na ito at nagdidikitan na ito at matapos yung Holy Week, magsisimula yung lokal kung saan ay tingin natin may lamang tayo. Kasi marami tayong mga kaalyado na sumusuporta sa daang matuwid. Kaya para sa akin maayos ito at tulad ng parati kong sinasabi, ang pinaka-importante at pinaka-makabuluhang survey ay yung gaganapin sa Mayo na ito.
The vote-rich province of Pampanga is a clear instance where the ruling party is banking on the power of incumbents. Home to over 1.2 million registered voters, Roxas and running mate Leni Robredo found a crucial partner in Governor Lilia Pineda. It is an alliance that would have seemed impossible just a few years back. Pineda was a staunch ally of Aquino nemesis, former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Arroyo is the predecessor of LP Chairman President Benigno Aquino III, a person often vilified in his speeches around the country. Dynamics between Pampanga politicians also makes the alliance tricky. One of the LP coalition Senate bets is former Pampanga Governor Mark Lapid. The Lapids and Pinedas are estranged politically. And in the ruling party's Tuesday visit, Governor Pineda and the former governor turned Senate bet are not seen on stage together. Both Roxas and Robredo downplay any speculation over their alliance with Pineda, including the family's supposed links to the illegal number scheme Weteng.
Siguro yung mga ganung pag-iisip ay para sa may mali siya lang sa kaisipan. Para sa amin, wala namang kapalit ito. Serbisyo na ginagawa namin ito. Siya naman po ay nagsabi na nais niya yung serbisyo na ipinakita sa Pampanga, sa lahat ng bayan ng Pampanga. So tinatanggap natin ito.
Robredo says Pineda's track record as local chief executive is stellar and that her support comes with no strings attached.
Sabi ko po sa kanya, Nanay, pagkatapos nito lahat, titingnan ko pa yung iba mong ginagawa para magaya din dun po sa lalawigan namin sa Camarines Sur. Pinakita po sa akin ni Nanay Baby yung staggering figures lang sa education. Nagulat po ako sa perang nilalaan ng lalawigan ng Pampanga para sa inyo, 36 million bawat taon. Bihirang-bihira po na ganyan kalaki yung perang nilalaan ng lalawigan para po sa kanyang scholars.
Roxas only ranks 3rd among presidential candidates in the Central Luzon region, which Pampanga belongs to. But as he visits San Fernando, Bacolor, and Candaba, he seems confident he'll dominate in the province. In any national elections, allies on the ground are crucial. As the saying goes, all politics is local. But will Roxas, Robredo, and the ruling Liberal Party's local allies be enough? Bea Cupin, Rappler, Pampanga.